Hello, welcome back. Festival season is upon us and I've got you covered. I created 3 easy and fun festival inspired looks that I know you're going to love. It's just such a fun time to try something unique and different with your hair. So definitely leave a comment, let me know which of these hairstyles was your favorite, and let's get started. All right, so all that soft, piecey texture was created in one simple step, and I'm so excited to finally share this hair hack with you. So this video is sponsored by TRESemmé, and this is their one-step texture mist. Now, this has been one of, if not my favorite hair discovery of this year because it has simplified my hair routine. Now, I have dry, frizzy, color-treated hair, and this just transforms it into really soft, beautiful, beachy waves, which are perfect for the spring, festival season, and it's really allowed me to put down the hot tools and just rock my natural hair. Okay, let me show you how you can style your hair in one simple step, and they have different ones no matter your hair type or style. They've got you covered. Just gonna give this a little bit of a shake, and you wanna spray this all throughout your damp hair. And it's very thin and lightweight, so you don't have to worry about it weighing down your hair. And the coolest part is this isn't just a styler, this is packed with 5 professional benefits. It's going to create that soft texture, a matte finish, grip, which is great for these hairstyles, and most importantly, strength and heat protection, which is why I love this product so much. And then scrunch your hair all throughout just to encourage that natural texturized look. So it's that simple. You can just let this air dry, but for time's sake, I am going to diffuse my hair. And diffusing is very gentle. I'm just going to use a medium heat, high speed. You want to focus on the roots, moving the hair back and forth, but try to resist touching it until it's about 50% dry. All right, that's it. I think I'm festival ready, but it just makes me so happy that I can wear my natural hair. It feels so soft and healthy. I'll pop a before up on the screen so you can see what a difference just adding one step can make. I really love that you can just spray, scrunch, and go. It saves me so much time. I'll have a link to the TRESemmé one-step texture mist in the description. Definitely check it out. It's a part of TRESemmé's new one-step styler collection, and they're each formulated for your hair type and style. So there is a volume one, a wave one, repairing, smoothing. They are total game changers and very affordable, so definitely check them out. I'll leave them linked in the description. All right, but I have this awesome texture as my base, so let's get started on some hairstyles. It's festival hairstyles, so I had to share space buns. They're so cute. So begin by tracing a line from the front of your ear to the top of your head, and then use your fingers to smooth back your section, and this will keep all that natural texture. And then pull out your face framing pieces. Now hold your section at the top of your head nice and high where you want your bun to sit, and then secure it tightly with a small elastic. And on that last loop, only pull your hair partially through to create a small bun. And then pull on the sides to fan it out. Next, take your ends and tightly twist them away from your face, and then bring them clockwise up and around your bun to the back. And then pull out a piece of elastic from the back side, and you want to just pull your ends through to secure them. Awesome, now fan out your bun and twist, making them as large as you like. And since we prepped our hair with texture mist, it has that perfect amount of grip, allowing these buns to get big and voluminous. And then repeat on the other side, making your little bun and then twisting your ends and bringing them up and over counterclockwise, and then pulling them through your elastic in the back. Now I have to say, the trickiest part of this hairstyle has to be trying to get your buns symmetrical. And for festival hairstyles, you gotta accessorize. So I'm accessorizing each of these looks with the limited edition PatBO and TRESemmé hair accessories collaboration. These are straight from the runway, and they're now available to shop. So I will leave the link in the description below. And for this look, I added the beautiful PatBO x TRESemmé pearl hair pins just in front of both of my space buns. Now this is the perfect festival hairstyle. It's cute, quick and easy, and I love how it shows off all that volume and texture. Next is a very cool Y2K inspired hairstyle, perfect for hot festival weather. Begin by tracing up from the front of your ears to the top of your head, and then scoop up the remainder of your hair. This will keep all the volume and texture at the top. Next, use your fingers to smooth the sides and the bottom, and I love to use my fingers versus a comb because it leaves all that natural texture. Just looks really effortless. Next, secure your ponytail. I used a DIY hair bungee, but a strong hair elastic works great. Okay, I was loving how this ponytail looked, but time for the bun. Divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections down the middle, and then you want to tie them together by bringing your right section over your left and bringing your left section up and pulling it through that hole. And then you want to make sure you pull it nice and tight. Awesome. Now bring your ends up and tie them together the same way. So right over left, and then pulling that left section up and through, and make sure to pull it nice and tight. Now, if your ends are quite long like mine, you want to bring them underneath your bun, crossing them at the bottom, and then bringing them up both sides. Then, you guessed it, begin securing your bun to your head by pinning all around the outside, and I find French pins very secure. Then pull on your bun to add more volume and texture and play around with your ends to your liking. And since we prepped our hair with the texture spray, the ends already have that true like Y2K spike to them, but if yours look too soft, just add some texture spray or hairspray. Now for this hairstyle, I paired it with this gorgeous PatBO and TRESemmé pearl beaded headband. I thought it was just such a fun way to dress up the hairstyle. There you have it. Y2K hairstyles are making a huge comeback, and a festival is the perfect excuse to try the trend. Next is a bold, beautiful pull-through braided ponytail, and I'm going to make it nice and simple for you. Now begin by tracing from the top of your temples to the top of your head, completely sectioning this off, and before securing it with an elastic, I do like to add a clip below my sections before securing them to help prevent tangles and breakage. Once secure, clip your top ponytail up out of the way. And then for the next section, you want to trace from the front of your ears to the back of your head, and then again, tightly secure it. And then repeat with all the hair behind your ears, and then all the hair at your nape. So I have a total of 4 ponytails. Now, before we braid, this is a festival hairstyle, so I want to dress it up with this beautiful PatBO and TRESemmé printed hair scarf. This step is completely optional, but it adds a really pretty detail. So take a corner of your scarf, and you want to loop it through a piece of your elastic on your second ponytail, and then pull your scarf halfway through so that both ends are equal. Awesome, time to braid. Take your first ponytail and divide it into 2, placing those sections off to the sides. Then take your second ponytail, including the scarf if you added one, and clip it up out of the way. Then take your side pieces from the first ponytail and gather them into your third ponytail, and then you want to tightly secure them all together. And that's it, your first pull through is done. Now you just want to repeat this pattern. So unclip your second ponytail, divide it into 2, making sure one half of your scarf is in both sides, and then place it out of the way, and you want to clip your third ponytail up out of the way. Now, take your side pieces, join them into your fourth ponytail, and just tightly secure everything together. And then keep repeating this pattern, so divide your top section into 2, securing both those sides underneath your other ponytail. Now, before you go too far down, take a break, and it's time for the best part. Starting at the top, begin pinching and pulling your twists, the sides, the tops, all over. This is going to make them very full and completely transform the hairstyle. And since we have that texture spray in our hair, it creates the perfect amount of grip for these braids to get really big, voluminous, and really pop. All right, once you're happy with the look, continue braiding as far down as you like. And once you reach the bottom, you can just leave your braid undone, and all I did was tie my scarf around it. This is probably one of my favorite hairstyles ever. I love the scarf detailing, and it's very secure, so it'll definitely hold up while you dance the night away. So there we have it. I really hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I had so much fun creating these looks, and I can't wait to see your recreations. But don't forget to check out TRESemmé's one-step stylers. I'll link them in the description, and thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.